third day, same shirt. I gotta represent at this point, okay? Y'all, your girl is tired, okay? So now I am officially gonna be getting ready for the little event that I throw annually for my aunts and my cousin and so forth. It's super duper small, guys, okay? It's just something fun, do a cute little house tour of my Christmas decorations, which I kept this year very I'm talking about bare minimum. Um, and I served them food, whatever. So this year, well, I'm making new food. Now, when I say make, I do not mean like, I'm talking about like pre-stuff that you can buy and make up some little duh. That, yeah. But I'm going to show you everything that I'm making and whatever. But now, today, this video is going to show, wait a minute. Is this? Y'all, I am confused yet again. I don't know if this is going to be Vlogmas or my weekly video. I don't think it's going to be weekly. It's going to be a Vlogmas. Anyway, regardless, it's a vlog. Today, I'm going to be cleaning the dishes and making everything tidy. So everything that I'm going to serve food on, I'm going to wash. And then I'm going to set the table. And then, yeah, before I make the actual food. Then I got other crafts to make as well. Yeah, I try to do the most. I'm a one-woman show. Yeah, I already know that. But I'm somewhat of a perfectionist too. I like to bring the whole vision together. Thank God I started like about 2 or a month ago. Praise be to God. If not, I would be crazy right now. Right now, I'm not crazy. I feel like it's going in the right direction. So let me show y'all this tabletop. I'm going to show you an older video of how the table looked. And I might be talking, I'm going to leave that in. And then you're going to see what the table looks, excuse me, wow. What the table looks like now. Okay, so this is the table, how it looks now, blank. So, that's pretty much the base. And I got this tablecloth. It's vinyl, guys, from DD's discount store, what have you. I really like it. And I think on that video, y'all saw this table, which is actual window, what you call it? A curtain, thanks, for the window treatment or whatever, but I use it on my tables. Okay, so I'm going to be cleaning all this stuff. These are just packaging for the food and how I'm going to set it up. These are little trays. I got these from Dollar Tree, and I got this actual, alrighty then, this thing, whatever it's called, from Goodwill. So I'll read it up. So I'm going to be placing on my food. But I'm going to be washing all of this. And I will be washing all of these items. And I'm going to try to shine this up, So, and this item. So I got a little work ahead of me. But I got to make sure everything is nice, clean, and sparkly for my guests. And also, I'm going to be DIYing by putting like those chip covers. I know y'all seen those before. I do that every year now. So whatever the theme is, that's what I use and to cover it, the chips with. So of course, I don't think I'm going to necessarily be showing you, but I will show y'all the finished results on how that will look. Well, y'all going to see the finished result, how everything looked. But I just think it's so cute.